What's up, YouTube? Sat here dicking around again. Thought I'd bring my cameras. Normally I don't, because I always go to the same spots, but I'm gonna go check out some new spots today. Just came from the alligator park over here. I didn't really see anything interesting, but I'm gonna go check out the, what is it, Texas University, one of the universities campus over here, and then like hit the waterfront really quick. I drove by here not too long ago and I saw a bunch of deer, so hopefully I can get them on camera. So the whole e-commerce store is moving along. Got the LLC thing done, and then got my business bank account set up. So now it's just a matter of setting up the Shopify, figuring out what products I want to sell and all that, and then hopefully by July I'll be ready to go. Oh, whoa, that was a Ioniq 5, Hyundai Ioniq 5 back there. That's the first time I've seen one on the road. It's an electric car. That's the one we wanted to get. We couldn't find it anywhere, and it was kind of the toss-up between that and the Tesla Model Y. So we ended up just getting a Model Y, the long range. I can't really tell what's going on right here. I'm going the wrong way, so I can't really see the lights very well. Yeah, I did the video on my e-mountain bike the other day, but there wasn't very much interest in that. I guess e-mountain bikes are out, or I don't know. Maybe the algorithm's just kind of used to me doing Sur-Ron stuff, so it's not really serving it up to anyone, I don't know. But it came out pretty cool. Yeah, this is where I saw a bunch of deer the other day. Like, I got right up close to them too. None today. So here's a campus right here. I think this is where my daughter's boyfriend's gonna go. They're graduating high school pretty soon here. What do we got over here? What's this? Oh, steps. It's a cool little walkway. We got art here. What's that, like a dumbbell or something? That's a sculpture of what? I have no idea. Oh yeah, anyways, that e-mountain bike, so I retuned it, and actually gave it a lot more torque, because I retuned the throttle. GoPro's getting thrown around a lot. But yeah, it ended up way more torquey. So it gets up to speed really fast, but it's like limited at 25 miles an hour because of the gearing I have on it. I mean, which is fine for that kind of bike. 25 feels pretty fast on it. And now it's pretty torquey and fun. So if I want to go somewhere that's like a lot of people around, I'll just take that instead of this. I have 2 batteries for it. They get about 25 miles a pop. So it's fun, but you know, it's not nearly as fun as the Sur-Ron, of course. I released a video earlier today of a review of Sur-Ronster's cleaning products. So he's doing like a giveaway for a Sur-Ron and a oh shit, what's the other one called? Talaria Sting R. I kind of want the Talaria because, you know, I already have a fully modded Sur-Ron. Oh, that's a pretty ass bird. And for the sake of content, I'd rather have the Talaria, I think. I do a lot of comparison videos. I think Chai Batteries makes a battery for Talaria. I'm not sure about the controller though, if there's a VAC 4000 out there for it or not. It does have gears as a primary drive instead of the belt. So So that's a good thing, I think. I mean, it does have oil that you have to change every so often. But I mean, the Sur-Ron has a belt that if it breaks, you have to tear apart the entire bike to change it. So, I mean, I don't know. And sounds like the new Talaria R, they have a beefed up gearbox for it. I wonder if this is even going to turn for me. Yeah, fuck it. She will definitely go. Got a little wobbly. Oh, there's deer right there. Let's go back and see how close I can get to him. Finally got some freaking deer on camera. Hello. Oh, that's a boy. He just didn't have his antlers on. It's a young buck and a doe. It's the waterfront here. So, like, regarding my weight loss, I plateaued again right around 244. Pretty annoying. But I'm gonna start lifting again tomorrow. When I lift, I can gain weight. I mean, I gain muscle like really fast. I can gain fat and muscle no problem, but I can't get lean. I'm just gonna start lifting, put 20 or 30 pounds of muscle on over the next 5 or 6 months, and that'll hopefully displace the same amount of fat. I'm thinking it probably will. That cop looked at me crazy. Is he coming back? Did I just get fucking stung or what? Yeah, there's a fucking stinger in my leg. Just got stung by a bee. God damn it. Jeez, that hurt. I get stung or hit by something. I don't know. That was weird. My fucking leg hurts though. It's a nice day, so everyone's out on their boat. Trying to get some, what are they, redfish? Oh, there's one of those sea-doos here, but it's not a Fish Pro. I've never gone and messed around over here. I mean, I've been to this park before, but I haven't been down past it. I wonder if that's a hotel or a condo. It's over here. This looks like an empty lot. I don't really see any no trespassing signs or anything. They're gonna be making little condos here too or something. Probably turn on my GLE app just to make sure I'm good on the power or charge. I think there would be like more like parked areas with this much waterfront. There's just that one. Well, I think we're like curving away from the water now. Let's see where I'm at. 73% charge. Got like 30-40 miles left on here. Saw a little bit of waterfront area over here somewhere. It's pretty cool. Damn, every time I see a branch or anything in the water now, I think it's an alligator. I've seen 3 alligators so far. Hey, if you haven't seen the video, my short of me walking like right up on one, check it out. Like I got within 10 feet of one. It was just chilling right there on the shore of a little pond. Didn't seem bothered by me at all. I walked right up on it. It was only 5 or 6, no, not 6, maybe 4 or 5 feet long. I don't know what those penthouses are like in there. It's kind of a random spot for a tall building like that. Maybe they had high hopes for this area and it never panned out. I think this bayou or river or whatever this is goes all the way down to Mud Lake. This is the park I was at earlier when I turned the camera on. Finally caught some friggin' deer on camera. Damn 360 was off again. I don't know how long that was off. Whoa, what was that? Oh, ducks. Saw something like in the water down there. It was just ducks diving down under the water. So, what do you guys think of that new bike that came out? I forget what it is, but it's a carbon fiber bike. I can't tell if it has an 8 kilowatt tune or a 6 kilowatt tune because people say different things in their reviews. It seems like a shitload of influencers or YouTubers came out and did a video on the same day, and they're trying to launch this carbon fiber bike. I've actually seen it on, I think I've even posted a picture of it maybe on one of my videos, so I was thinking about selling it. Yeah, I saw it on Alibaba a bunch. There's a bunch of different names for it, but the brand they're going under now, I forget what it's called. But the only thing I didn't like about it, because I asked them if they could do like a 12,000 watt tune, and they said no. So it's pretty much maxed out at 6. Yeah, so I think the YouTubers are saying 8. I think they're incorrect. I don't think I can do 8. Is it maxed at 8? I think it's maxed 6. But anyways, it is pretty light. It's got that carbon fiber. It does have a 72 volt 45 amp hour battery, so you know it's got really good range. The motor is attached to the swing arm, which is, I think, weird. Kind of stupid. You can't really hit bumps or jumps or anything like that because you'll bottom it out. You'll scrape the motor really easily. And it has like a oh yeah, it has like a bicycle chain on it. It doesn't have like a motorcycle chain. So it seems like that thing would snap pretty easily. Yeah, it's just a weird design. Personally, I don't really like how it looks. I think it looks kind of silly. And then out of all the bikes on Alibaba that you can, some of them they allow you to tweak however you want. Like the one I'm looking on, you find like a base bike. The one I see, it's like 8,000 watts. I asked them if they can tune it to 12. They said sure. They just have to put a beefier controller on it, which they can do. And then there's another bike, Time Moto. I'm sure if you guys have heard of Time Moto, there's a YouTuber out of New York that does videos. Those are actually pretty cool fucking bikes, but they're 4-speed gearbox. And I want to sell, just like something that's a direct competitor to like the Sur-Ron, but it has dirt bike brakes. So I asked them if they can take the brakes off that and stick it on the bike I'm talking about, and they said yeah. So it'll come with like dirt bike caliber brakes, kind of like knockoff KTM brakes or something, or not KTM, but what are they called, Brembo, knockoff Brembos or something. Yeah, and that'll come with a 72 volt 48 amp hour battery, so you'll have like 50 to 60 miles of range. I mean, if you're really gunning it, more like 40. But I did a range test with this one. This one's a 72 volt 51 amp hour battery. It went from 100 to 0, but pretty much exactly 50 miles, and that was with mixed riding, going all the way up to 60. Doing some regular road riding, and then a lot of riding like this on sidewalks and shit, and bike trails. I think the Talaria R is pretty cool. I mean, if you're not planning on doing any sort of mods to your bike, and I mean, the Talaria R is kind of a no-brainer over the Sur-Ron, because you're getting an 8 kilowatt tune. With Sur-Ron, you're getting 6. I believe you're getting a 60, they're both 60 volt, but I think the Talaria Sting R is a 45 amp hour battery, whereas the upgraded battery for the Sur-Ron's a 38. So, then you're also getting, I think, beefier suspension too, better brakes. You get the gearbox, if that's your thing. Oh shit. I don't have my fender on, my front fender. Yeah, well anyways, I think the Talaria Sting R looks pretty cool. I mean, I don't like the way it looks, but I mean, just like the motor, I think it might have a beefier motor than the Sur-Ron. I'm not sure though. I have to actually check on that. So I know Chai sells a like I was saying earlier, yeah, Chai sells a battery. I'm sure there's a controller out there you can get for it. But I'm wondering if you can if it's better to get like the BAC 8000 for the Talaria Sting R if the motor's like not better than the Sur-Ron, and then maybe you can do like a 20 kilowatt tune on it, whereas I mean I have mine at a 15 on the Sur-Ron. Some people say they can go up to 20, but I don't know about that. I know at 15 kilowatts I've never come close to overheating on this thing, that's for sure. Like right now my motor temperature is 53 Celsius. I mean, that's nothing. So I've gone 25 miles and I've got 65% left. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. If you watch until the end, give me a subscribe. I'm really trying to hit that 1,000. Once I hit 1,000, I can monetize my channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.